Should teenagers choose an apprenticeship pathway? Imagine stepping into a job site or a workshop and learning directly from experienced workers. That's what an apprenticeship offers. It's a way to gain skills while earning money and avoiding student debt. Many teens wonder if this is the right choice for them. Let's look at what apprenticeships really involve and how they can fit into exploring career options. An apprenticeship is a structured program where a young person works under the guidance of skilled professionals. They also take classes related to their trade or industry. This combination helps teens learn practical skills and understand what real work is like. Unlike traditional school paths that focus mainly on classroom learning, apprenticeships emphasize hands-on experience. Most apprenticeships last between 1 and 4 years, depending on the trade. During this time, apprentices work full-time and earn a salary, usually based on a percentage of a fully qualified worker's wage. Costs for training are often covered by the employer or industry associations, so there's no need to pay tuition. After completing the program, apprentices receive credentials recognized across the industry, which can help them find jobs more easily. There are many benefits to choosing an apprenticeship. For starters, teens earn money while they learn, which helps with financial independence. They also gain real-world experience that makes their resumes stand out. Many apprenticeships lead directly to full-time jobs, sometimes with the same employer. This means teens can start their careers right after high school without needing to attend college first. Apprenticeships are especially useful in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, information technology, and early childhood education. These fields have high demand for skilled workers, and employers often prefer hiring someone who has already proven their abilities through an apprenticeship. However, it's important for teens to think about their interests and goals. Apprenticeships requiring a strong commitment to both work and study. Some careers may still need a college degree later on, so it's good to consider long-term plans. Researching available programs, understanding what industries they serve, and talking to current apprentices can help make an informed decision. In exploring career options, apprenticeships offer a clear pathway to develop skills and enter the workforce confidently. They provide a practical alternative to traditional academic routes and can lead to stable, well-paying jobs. For teens eager to learn by doing and ready to start working, apprenticeships can be a smart choice to consider.